So we're talking about the two things we hate about the holidays, but also the two things we love.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Robin and this is Sonia, and we are Bolly Moms on the go.
Woohoo. So should we
So,
see the two things we enjoy first?
okay, if
Mhm.
it's here's the hardest part about that whole thing is to only pick two.
I know. Let's be selective.
And when we're saying two, but really we mean one each. So that's even harder because now we can only pick one.
Yes. Okay.
So
Should I
I'm gonna
start?
pick my one favorite thing about the
Favorite. Go
holiday
for it.
time. Okay, my family and having more time to be with them. I know it sounds cheesy, but in the year, we're so busy, like so busy. And so I really love those just like quiet moments and that extra time. It's
Oh,
like it feels
nice.
like stolen time. I love it.
Nice. What I really enjoy is my top one, because I have also like a top, I don't know, 20,
50? Yeah.
50, 20, yeah, a lot. So one of my top one will be enjoying cooking and baking something differently, like very seasonal, like
Yeah.
with more spice and gingers and like this nice baking that I wouldn't really do outside the holiday
Yeah.
season. I like doing that, and then my daughter is really into baking those days. So we're starting to do like a lot of baking, and she had books on them special treats, holiday treats. So we're looking at that decoration, sparkles, sprinkles,
Oh.
like so I like this kind of activities together.
Are you gonna post a picture for us to see your baking?
I could, yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Make us feel
Do that.
jealous like we can't have any.
Yes.
I love to bake too, and I don't get enough time to do it. So that one I get very special. Yay. Okay,
Right.
it's time. What do
The
you
thing we
hate?
hate. Right.
Okay.
What's yours?
Okay, mine first. Okay. Usually, and it's so stupid because it's like literally one or the other, but it has to do with weather. So- because here in Calgary, we either have a beautiful white snowy Christmas, but it is freezing outside, or it's really nice outside, but it's very brown. So
Mm,
I get sad either way.
I see.
There's no pleasing me when it comes to the weather at that time
Mm,
of year.
true. Okay,
What's
mine.
yours?
Mine is very related to this year, 2020, which is very
Oh,
particular.
that's
So
that's easy. I could have picked that.
it's like not being able to gather and share meals with friends and family, like
Yeah,
the special moments together, and not
yeah,
having that is like, I don't like it.
yeah. Me
We do
neither.
it differently, but I don't like this type of scenario this year that we can't do much
Yeah.
more than
So we're going to resolve that next week, right? We're going to talk about that more. And I
yes,
think, we'll give some answers and we'll
yes.
ask you guys for some answers on what we can do to make Sonia's better.
Yes, because I hate that.
I get it. Me too. Me too. That's a really, really valid, valid one for sure. Mine is more whiny baby. Yours is really, really valid. So
Hopefully next year is gonna be way different and way better.
yes, not hopefully. We're gonna make it so, right? No matter
Yes.
what, we're gonna do something about it. Because we can't keep going like this, that's for sure.
Yeah. So share your two
Yes.
favorite thing you really enjoy about the holiday season and one thing you don't really enjoy.
Yeah.
One thing.
Just share.
Share.
Vent to us a little bit.
Yes.
It's okay if it's whiny, baby. Bye, guys.
Bye.